The PharmaVOICE 100 recognizes 100 of the most innovative people who are a driving force in the life sciences industry. This interview was recorded live at the 2013 DIA annual meeting in Boston.
Steve, I want to congratulate you on being a 2013 PharmaVOICE 100 honoree.
Well, thanks, Taryn. I'm inspired and humbled to be considered part of that group.
Well, we certainly think you belong as part of that group, and we're so thrilled we have a few minutes to catch up with you on the floor of the DIA conference. What I'd like to know from you is somebody who has been in the industry now for 7 years, and you have contact with a great deal of companies and different kinds of companies. Where is it that you see the future of healthcare going?
I guess from my perspective, given the increasing global footprint and what we are exposed to in a variety of studies that we work with our clients, I continue to be impacted by the need for preventative care. And I'm looking forward to increase the level of dialogue associated with that. And beyond that, I continue to see personalized medicines as a key tipping point going forward.
Fantastic. Now, you're being honored also as one of the most inspiring individuals in the industry. How is it that you inspire your team?
Well, I think the word team gets used a lot, and one of the key aspects is as I think about composition of teams, which is an important job as a leader, is understanding intrinsically what motivates those individuals, and trying to take that intrinsic motivation and lay that on top of complementary individuals who have similar intrinsic motivations, so that we're working toward mutual goals and agreed needs. And then within that, we've got to be able to achieve the team strategy. So it becomes a very personal experience amongst the leadership team and the management team to be able to get that dynamic working. And if we can be honest, and in the words of our CEO at Imperial, make sure that we're dealing with issue opposition and not people opposition, we tend to move forward. So that's just one aspect of leadership that I think is important today.
That's a great philosophy. And again, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your schedule today.
Well, thanks for inviting me.
The complete list, as well as in-depth information on each member of this year's PharmaVOICE 100, can be found at www.pharmavoice.com.